So today is actually gonna be interesting time. I don't know if y'all can see all this back here. This is where I was working for this little company. I keep calling them little companies. I'm grateful for those companies, by the way. They've been keeping your boy afloat while I was going through this quote unquote transition, right? I was keeping a buck with y'all. I was living in Thailand for the last 2 years. I ain't got nothing to lose. I was working at corporate for the last 8 years. And I decided to say, you know what? I'm going to risk it all. I ended up losing my parents, and I made a decision to go abroad. I ran from the pain. And I ain't gonna hold you, it came back for me. It came back hard. It came back 10 times worse than what I thought. I ended up losing my job due to a visa issue. And the past 6 months, it was me debating on whether or not I wanted to go back to corporate. One of my homeboys, man, you guys will see him in the future here. We're talking with him. But he called me one day, or he texted me, and I ended up, having to call him back because I'm like, bro, what's up? He was like, yeah, I've been in the hospital, yada, yada. During that time, he revealed that he had massive anxiety attacks. He's on antidepressants. And his body was reacting all kind of weirdly. He was waking up in the middle of the night. What's up? Waking up in the middle of the night, man, panic attacks. And I was just like, bruh. And while I'm in the middle of having that conversation with him, I'm like, you know what? I don't think I'm going back. I don't think I'm going back to that world.
Who's coming with me? Who's coming with me?
I don't know if going back into that world is healthy, because at the end, once they use you up, it's no other, it's no different than any other place. Once you're done, they just move on to the next. They don't care, regardless if you're working blue collar, white collar. It's the same thing. It's my last time at the crib, a few more weeks, and I'm risking it all, guys. I'm taking the leap. Same odd jobs I'm working here, I'm about to be working elsewhere. If you know, you know, and I would rather hustle my way through it in a much better mental state over there than struggling and being depressed here. Yes, this is crazy. Is this, am I nervous? Absolutely. There is no plan B. There is no plan B once I make this decision. This is head down, hit the ground running. Shout out to Garner Drift, one of my favorite YouTubers. Cool dude named Sam. He's in a similar situation as I am, but see, one thing Sam's got, he's got a lot of YouTube experience. I'm still fresh in the game, right? I'm still getting used to this. So, building this, building my trading, which has been ass this past week. Oh my gosh, these past 2 weeks at NASDAQ have been garbage. Have y'all been trying to trade that mess? Yeah, there's a lot happening. A lot of bees out here. Look, it was becoming springtime. It went from being like 24 to 95 in 2 days. This is crazy. And I think I'm nervous. This is why I'm making this whole video. I am nervous because last time I went, I was on somebody else's paycheck. I was sponsored. This time it's all on me. Everything that happens now is on me. Here we are tap dancing for these people, and as soon as they cut it, we got like we can't function. It's annoying. It's a handicap. I'm not going back to that. I got to learn how to survive and hunt my own food and survive. And so far, I've been doing pretty good. My brother might say something else now. He think I'm crazy. You can do it, but it's gonna be real. Yeah, I know. Really, y'all guys are gonna be coming with me on the way. Well, we'll talk more about it when I get there. It's a whole story to this stuff. Y'all gonna be like, yo, what? Yes, it's been crazy. There comes a time in your life, man, where you gotta make a change. I'm starting over in my 40s, early 40s. I know y'all like, yo, I thought you was 22. I know. Thank you. It's not easy, man. Thank God it's just me. I can only imagine having a family and trying to do this. And you trying to, man, that's got to be tough. Oh, I stay doing interviews too. Look, we got a lot to talk about. I have done the most interviews in all interviewing history. It is ridiculous. I have gotten to the point where I've been turning down jobs. That's not because I'm ungrateful. It's just I don't want to be back in a cubicle, bruh. Like, I'm not doing that, dog. Like, that is the most depressing shit. I don't care how much money you make. You sitting in a cubicle, it's horrible, man. What comes with it, right? More money, more problems. Essentially, if you're not working for yourself. Now, when I start making that guap on my own, it's gonna be a different story. But you know, moving back, it's gonna be humble beginnings. Foundation, man. Startup. Just want to provide the update. Y'all hold it down. This is Traders Ambition. Let's get it.